Hello, thank you for joining us here today at TotalMD to take a look at the claims list and some of the ways that you can find information in this screen. By clicking on the plus sign to the left of where your claim is, it'll show you all of the lines of service on your claim that are there to be billed or have been billed. It will also show you the date of service right here so that you see that the date that it was actually sent. If you also want to sort for date of service, you can come to this field here and put in a date of service range, and it will show you only the dates of service, not the date that the claim was created, but the actual dates of service that are in that range. By clearing out that information, you can then go up and change the claim status if you want to see which ones have, say, failed validation. So if you put failed validation in here, then it will show you the ones that have failed validation during this date range. Or if you take the date range out completely, it'll show you all of the claims that are in the failed validation status so that you know to go in and fix those. You can search by billed, ready to be billed, paid, rejected, completed. That's for the primary status. You can also sort by secondary, and you can sort by the batch number if you want to. So there's many ways to come in here and find what you're looking for in this screen. If you've got further questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support. Option 3 is training. We would be happy to help you.